Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Market Analysis. So today, let's look what happened today in the market. So yesterday market closed around 14,920 levels, which I had mentioned as a resistance. So today, what happened? Market opened with a big gap up. The levels which I mentioned was 15,045, and exactly see, guys, it took support around 15,045, and market sustained above this for the whole day. So it went till 15,135. And then a big continued consolidation for the whole day. So most of the sectors were performing well. Coming to open interest, 14,900, 15,000 and 15,100 is having a huge support. So if you see on the upside, 15,200 is the next resistance. So 15,100, there is a the 15,100 has been changed as a support now. So 15,200 is the next resistance. If market opens gap up tomorrow around 15,200, personally I'm expecting a pullback to these levels, 15,100, which is the first support. And if it breaks, next look at the 15,046 levels. And if that breaks, then it may fall to fill the gap. But the intensity of the bullishness is too high. But if you see the market, yesterday's candle and today's candle, it is a small one. Also, it is looking like an abandoned baby. So we have to look, but this is a bullish market. The SAFA has turned to be a very good bullish market. FI has turned into a buyer today. They have bought it for almost 7,700 crores. So we have to look for tomorrow. If it stays above this levels, 15,140, then 15,200. 15,140 is acting as a resistance now. So staying above that, it will go to 15,205 levels. And I'm expecting a small pullback till 15,050 levels. So this is the outlook for Nifty. So let's look at the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty again yesterday gave a huge move, and today it made like a doji candle. So yesterday it made more than 1,300 points. Today gap up another 500 points. Continuously it stayed around the 33,900 to 34,100 area. So it was consolidating the whole day. HDFC Bank gave a breakout. ICICI Bank gave a good move. IDFC Bank, Indus Bank gave a good move. See guys, 7.36%. Kotak Bank, SBAN was bit consolidating today after a fresh move starting from 385 to 390, 392 numbers. So it is at the first resistance of 392. So crossing that, it will move to 427, but it is expecting the results. So before results, there may be a small profit booking happening. So, but personally expecting as per the PSC Bank's rally, this will start moving up. Axis Bank gave a good move today. Coming to the Bank Nifty open interest, 34,500 is going to be the resistance for tomorrow. So below that, 34,000 is having a good support. So market is going to play around this range. If it stays above that, else there may be a profit booking to 33,500 levels to fill the gap. But look out, Nifty has to break 15,050 to fall below. So that is a huge support, 15,046, which is also a 0.786 Fibonacci. So we have to look on that. So this is the outlook for Bank Nifty. So let's look at some of the stocks for tomorrow. Tomorrow's picks. These are all momentum picks. Just look at these guys. Adani Enterprises, Adani Green, Adani. Mostly all of the Adani stocks are in momentum stocks. This is Adani Enterprises, Adani Green, Adani Trans, Adani Power. These are all the day charts. Look at the day's move, guys. Huge move with all the other factors supporting. Ashok Leyland, it is supporting. DMart, a huge move today. So look at this, all the stocks for tomorrow's picks. This all has given a breakout. Axis Bank, Bharat Forge, Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance has given a huge Marubusu candle. So look out for tomorrow, all these stocks. FID data coming to that. The FIA has almost 10% increased their long positions in futures. I mean, like future long. Overall, they are 57% long. I mean, like stocks, index, and options. So they have considerably increased their long positions, which is good for the index buyers, index players. I mean, like who are on the long side will benefit on this. So FIDA data, more than 7,000 crores from DIA, FIA, and 5,000 plus crores from DIA. So the outlook is bullish. So let's look at the momentum for tomorrow. If it continues, let's start riding the trend. So this is the outlook for tomorrow. Our picks: Birla Corporation, CDSL, ATGL, Asian Paints. Look at this Birla Corporation, guys. It gave a wonderful move. It was in a consolidation area. I said already for the breakout around 1200, it is almost touched that. 1200 staying above this, that will be a huge breakout. I'm expecting at least 200 to 300 points above this region. UPL made a consolidation today. Reliance, as we said here, it made a pin bar, then started moving up. Personally, I'm expecting 2200 levels to reach in a period of 2 to 3 weeks, but it may be earlier. Indigo, see guys, yesterday I had made a video on that. Please check my previous video. Indigo has made a cup and handle pattern. API Technologies. These are all long term, which I had picked for the long term, I mean like medium, short term to medium term picks, which is for 6 months to 1 year, 1.5 years. KSCL, Kaveri Seeds. So these are all fundamentally good companies which we can keep on radar for the short term to long term swing trades. Today TVS Motor gave a good move. Power Grid started with a good move, then again it came down. We made some good money on that. That's it, guys. So if you like this information is useful, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks, guys.